Welcome to your guide to winning Round 1 of CAPSIM CAPSTONE 2025, compiled from the material you provided. To achieve the best results in Round 1 and build a foundation for your long-term strategy, you need to make the following decisions. Initial preparation and strategy overview. Before making any decisions, you should check the industry condition report to understand the market. The industry has 5 product segments: low-end, traditional, high-end, performance, and size. Long-term strategy: develop 3 new products to double sales and profits from Round 3 to 4 until the end of the game, Round 8. This requires investing faster than competitors. Use the provided Excel calculation file to support your decisions. Important note: do not copy numbers directly because they can change. Learn how to calculate and adjust your own strategy. 2. Research and AMP, development, R&AMP winking and laughing, decisions. Each round, you need to update products by increasing performance and size. Use Table 1, Table 2, and Table 3 in the Excel file to calculate the ideal spot for R&AMP winking and laughing for 8 rounds. Product update examples: low end, doesn't need many updates. Only once in Round 3 and once in Round 7. Low-end products sell best when they are 7 years old. Example update, 4.5 and 9.8. High-end, quite difficult to update. Example update, 8.9 and 11.1. Performance, example update, 10.4 and 15.3. New product development, ensure new products are launched at the right time. Check the revision date. Profits from new products will be seen from the next round. 3. Marketing decisions. Price, check reports for each segment to set prices. General rule: reduce by 50 cents each round to increase competitiveness. Traditional, 32% market share. Price is not very important, 22% factor. Price range 20 to 30. Set price at 29.5. Low end, 39% market share, very large. Price is very important. Consider the price of the top selling product, 21. Set price at 20.5, 50 cents lower for more competitiveness. High end, 11% market share. Price is totally not important. Set price at 39.5. Performance, price range 25 to 35. Price is not the most important factor, 29% factor. Set price at 34.5. Size, 9% market share. Price range 25 to 35. Can set a high price. Promotion and sales budget: the optimal budget is $2,000. The effect reduces after $2,000. Traditional, 32% spend $2,000 on promotion and sales. Low end, 39%, even weaker, spend $2,000 on promotion and sales. High end, 10%, performance, 8%, size, 8%. These are smaller segments. Can use 1,000 or 1,200. Spend less because these segments grow slower. Sales forecast: this is one of the most important decisions. Use the Excel file for calculation. Input data, 1636, 2954, 638. You need to adjust your strategy because competitors are also watching. 4. Production schedule and AMP, automation. Production schedule: use the Excel file for calculation. Input production data for Round 1, 1447, 2915, 598, 565, 495. Capacity: current capacity for one product is 2008 units. Buy more capacity, buy an additional 200 units. Sell surplus capacity: sell 600 units in one line and 300 units in another line if not needed. For new products, buy capacity so they can start production from the next round. Strategy: sell surplus capacity and keep the most effective capacity. Automation: increase the level of automation. Benefits: increase contribution margin, reduce costs, increase profit, and improve product quality. Finance: you need a budget for R&AMP winking and laughing, promotion, sales, new product development, and production capacity expansion. Funding sources: 2 to 3 sources issue stock. Borrow current debt. Borrow long-term debt. Goal: ensure sufficient cash, around 30 to 50 million US dollars. Accounts receivable, increase to 45 days to provide customers with longer payment terms, creating a competitive advantage and increasing sales. 6. Human resources decisions regarding recruiting and training hours can start from the next round, round 2. 7. Review and AMP results. Check the income statement to see sales and profit for all 5 products. The goal is to achieve good results as seen, sales of $17.57 and significantly higher profit compared to competitors. Current contribution margin is 29% and can increase by 5% each round. Net profit can also increase by 5% each round. You will invest heavily in rounds 1, 2, 3 and start to see profits soar above competitors from rounds 4 to 8. Tips for winning: clearly understanding what decisions to make for each round, what reports to read, and which parts of the report are more important is crucial for winning. If you know how to update products, build a long-term strategy, set prices, including competitor prices, calculate sales forecasts, and manage inventory, you hold 80% of the chance to win. Winning round 1 is an important stepping stone, and results will continue to improve throughout the rounds. Good luck and success.